Good afternoon, guys. Jamie from Nanaimo Honda. What we're doing today is a little video highlighting some of the inventory we have in our pre-owned parts of our Nanaimo Honda dealership here. So what we have in front of us here is the 2017 CR-V Touring. It's got a fantastic look with the black wheels, a little bit of aluminum accent on that, as well as the white makes a nice contrast for this vehicle. So what we're going to highlight today is a little bit of this space, some of the designs of this vehicle, a little bit of a walk around here to show you, just in case you can't make it into the store, if you're doing some self-isolation, if you're a little bit cautious, to be able to get into the store and look at some of our inventory. So this will be able to give you a good idea of what you're looking at without putting yourself at risk. We're going to look at a little bit around the outside of this vehicle. First thing that I notice when I look at the front of this vehicle is the beautiful LED lighting with our LED headlights, daytime running lights, high beams and low beams, as well as our fog lamps with some chrome accents on the front of this vehicle. It is a Honda certified used vehicle, so it does come with an extra warranty on top of this, 7 years from the in-service date all the way up to 160,000 kilometers. So this one, being the Touring, has the power tailgate, has lots of room in the back. We're just going to swing around to the back of this vehicle. We got lots of storage capacity. Don't worry about the lighting here. It's a little bit sunny today, so we're going to have a couple of dark spots here and there. But so we've got our power tailgate with this push button here to be able to lower it. Also, you have the controls on the key fob as well. So CR-V Touring with the 1.5 liter turbo. One of the nice things we're going to highlight about this vehicle, going around to the side here, is these big openings. You can see it almost comes out to 90 degrees from the body of the vehicle there. So it's going to give you lots of access to get you in and out of this vehicle. Lots of leg room, lots of space in this vehicle. I can't really tilt the phone right now down to see my leg room in the back here, but trust me, I've got about 8 inches behind the back of the seat in front of me, and I'm about 5'11", so you can tell that it has a lot of leg room. Honda's really done a lot of work to expand on that. So it does have your steering wheel controls for your Bluetooth, for your Honda sensing with the lane keep assist, your cruise control settings. You have the push button start, leather interior on this one, and the moonroof, but we can't really see it because this technology we're holding here to record a video doesn't give us that much ability to be able to look at certain things. I don't know if you can see it on the top, panoramic moonroof, but nice wide opening for a 90 degree or almost 90 degree approach into this vehicle here. So we're going to have a look at the front here. So get a nice look through the inside here. Power automatic dimming mirror. We've got power seats on the driver's side, passenger side, heated seats in front as well. Leather interior, wood grain highlights on the dash there. So we're going to make our way around to the front of this vehicle again and highlight some of the Honda sensing safety technology that goes into even the entry-level Honda. So we have Honda sensing, which is going to be your adaptive cruise control. It's going to be your lane departure. I'm going to check on this camera here, pardon my shaky camera work here, but we're going to have a look around. We have blind spot monitoring on this vehicle, and it is the all-wheel drive 2017 Honda CR-V. So there are other features, safety features. I'm relatively new at these videos and relatively new at this technology as well. So we are looking at the 2017 CR-V Touring.